Amrita.
Hi, Juhi.
Welcome to the podcast Golden Nuggets.
Thank you very much for having me here.
इंडिया में काफ़ी लोग काफ़ी कंपनीज लेड बैक हैं बट डिड यूके इन एनी वे शेप द वर्क कल्चर देयर डिड इट शेप इन एनी वे द वे यू थिंक अबाउट कमिटमेंट्स
मेरा एक सिंपल मोटो है कि मेरे जो टीम मेंबर्स सुबह आदमी आए उसको अपने घर से ज़्यादा खुशी यहाँ मिले काम करके.
आई ऑल्सो स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन दिस आइडिया बट लाइक प्रैक्टिकली टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं.
हमारे बहुत सारे स्टाफ ऐसे थे जिन्होंने कभी फाइन डाइनिंग नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया था. तो 2 years back we took them for 2 or 3 years back we took them for a fine dining experience. Then हमने अपने ऑफिस में we are running a competition. We have divided the entire organization into teams and each team is being led by supervisor और हमने monthly prizes करे हैं depending on लोगों के घरों में क्या चीज़ें नहीं हैं. जैसे कई बार मेरे पास वर्कर्स की ये प्रॉब्लम आती थी, मैम गैस ख़त्म हो गई, आज मैं सिलेंडर लेने जा रहा हूँ. एंड आई थॉट कि it's a very basic problem and I can't give them a cylinder every time, right? So what do I do? So 1 month I kept induction as a prize for the team. 6 महीने के points cumulative total होंगे. हर महीने teams mix होती हैं, they are not the same teams. और 6 महीने के बाद जब ये points total होंगे तो the people who have never traveled in flight, so we are offering them to travel in a flight to Delhi and they'll be staying in a 5-star hotel जो कि एक कारीगर और एक लेबर लेवल के व्यक्ति के लिए पर्सनली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. दैट इज़ वॉट माई जर्नी इज़ अबाउट कि मुझे लगता है कि इतने लोग मेरे ऊपर डिपेंडेंट हैं, इतनी विमेन हैं मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जिनके इतने ड्रीम्स हैं एंड आई कैन नॉट फेल बिकॉज इफ आई फेल देयर ड्रीम्स फेल.
Often I see that you are traveling and you know 10 दिन के लिए आप travel करते हो NLP programs के लिए हफ्ता भर लेते हो.
Easily. I mean, I went just recently. In fact, I was there for 10 days and I got my team to handle everything. I strongly believe राजा अपनी सेना के बिना कुछ नहीं है
कुछ नहीं है
और सेना राजा के बिना कुछ नहीं है. So it's a collaborative situation. So in that case, I'm already, like, I have identified 3 people in my team who I think would be the people who will take the company forward.
So succession plan.
And one of them I've got on papers. I'm on board as director. I've already done that. And the others also will follow the suit. And eventually, I would like that they take the company forward. Everybody likes to have their own safety net. I am not aloof. I would like to have my own safety net, my own stabilities, but at the same end, think about the wider scope. Because nowadays, children are not necessarily interested also in what you do. Like my son is into music production. He has decided to take a completely different path, and I would encourage him to take his own journey. I would never ask him to come, I'm building this legacy, come and join me. No, it's his journey. He makes his own path, he makes his own journey. Then is it wise to just let go, or is it wise to give it to the people who have put their sweat, toil, hard work into this organization? What is it wise? It is wise to prepare the next leaders in your team and give it to them. From long back, I always thought that, I would eventually, be in the way that the company can give for the people. It's not about just getting the returns, no way. There was a person who wanted to invest in our company and he said, I'm willing to put this X amount of money and for an X percentage of your company. And right now I said, no, I'm not interested. But I would be rather interested in preparing these leaders and gradually giving them a share of the company. That's what I think.